Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you are new here, kindly click on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so that whenever I release videos like this, you get my notifications first. And so our returning subscribers, thank you very much for returning and coming back again. So today we'll be talking about, will Pi coin get to $100 this year 2025? But before we move into that topic, so let's check out how the crypto market is doing generally. So this is crypto bubble. So you can see the crypto is actually relatively doing not so well, because some cryptos are down, so some cryptos are up. So look at Pi. Pi is currently minus 7% down on the daily time frame. So you can see Pi right here. So Pi is down minus 7%. So and on the hourly time frame, I think Pi is down by minus 0.7%, but on the daily time frame, Pi is down by minus 7%. So today let's go to what we want to talk about, which is, will Pi coin get to $100 this 2025? So now, when I was doing my research yesterday, I bumped into a post on Binance Square. So I want us to go through it together and see the possibility of Pi getting to $100 this year. So now let's go to, now it says, will Pi coin reach $100 after Binance listing? Let's explore the possibilities. So the potential listing of Pi coin on Binance has sparked excitement across the crypto community. Many pioneers and investors are wondering, how high can Pi price go? Let's analyze some of the key factors that could drive Pi's price post listing. So number one, let's go to number one, and the initial price surge. Once Pi is listed on Binance, we may witness an initial price spike due to high demand. Historically, major exchanges listing brings significant trading volume as millions of traders gain easy access to coins. This one is trying to tell us that Binance is the largest and the biggest cryptocurrency exchange in the world. So once Pi is listed on Binance, we'll get to see more trading volume, and a lot of liquidity will come into the market. Now let's see estimated range for short-term. The short-term price is $10 to $30. Now if the hype continues and if the hype is strong, we'll get to see $50 or $70 per Pi. Now let's talk about the second one, which is the supply and demand dynamics. Pi has a large user base, 45 plus million pioneers, but the tradable supply is still low due to ongoing migrations from enclosed mainnets. If demand outpaces supply, the price can surge dramatically. Potential outcome now: a rapid rise towards $70 to $100 if demand remains strong and new investors join the ecosystem. Now let's talk about the third one, which is the real world utility and adoption, which everybody is actually waiting for, because we need the Bitcoin core team to to start rolling out all these utility applications so that it can make people demand for Pi, and when there's demand for any coin in the market, the price will surge up. So now it says Pi's success depends on real world use cases. If Pi becomes a widely accepted payment method, demand will increase. Now let's take for example, now if Pi becomes widely accepted, now let's say people are paying with Pi. Let's say you want to go to a grocery stores, now you saw that Pi payment is accepted here, you'll be very happy to to buy with Pi. So now it says, let's go ahead. It says more KYB verified businesses and merchant adoption will strengthen Pi's value. Yes, that's very true. If mass adoption occurs, $100 plus could be a reality in the long term. Note, in the long term. So this project is actually a long term, not a short term project. A lot of people believe they can cash out big on Pi in the short term. I don't see that happening, because the core team knows what they are doing. They have been building this over 6 years plus now, and they are building this project for a long-term project, not a short-term project. Now let's talk about the number 4, the role of Binance. Binance listing will expose Pi to millions of traders and institutional investors. Yes, that's very true, because Binance has that wider audience. Binance is the largest cryptocurrency exchange, just like I've said earlier. When Pi is listed on Binance, all those investors and institutional or traders, they will get to see Pi on Binance, and they will put their money because they actually trust Binance. I hope you're following now. Increased liquidity and easy access equals to higher trading volume and price growth. Yes, when there's increased liquidity from the investors and the traders and easy access, then we get more higher trading volume on Pi Network, and the price of Pi Network will grow up. Now, our final thoughts: can Pi hit $100? That's the big question now. For the short term targets, we are seeing, or we are talking about $10 to $30. That is very realistic. Yes. Now, medium term targets, $50 to $70. That's when we'll begin to enter the altcoin season. Now, the altcoin season is supposed to start by May. So from anytime from May, we'll experience an altcoin season this year, 2025. Now, in the long term potential, $100 plus if adoption continues. Now, as years pass by, when people begin to adopt Pi into their businesses, in the long time, we begin to see Pi move and grow. Then we can now see $100. Now, however, remember that crypto markets are volatile. Always do your own research before making any investment decision. So if this video has been helpful to you, kindly smash the like button and share this video to your friends. And till the next time, bye for now.